Thank you all for joining. Once again, good evening. Let me start the demo. I don't want to waste my time and your time by typing in Notepad or any area. Complete a graphical presentation. You will also receive a clear document. You will also receive a graphical document for better reading. Next, please don't write. And use mobiles while listening to the session. You will be disturbed. You can't enjoy. If I write, I can cover only limited content. If you want good content from me, definitely I need to take graphical presentation. Kindly cooperate. And coming to classroom people, so you will see the colorblind environment here. You will not see many colors here. If you want it, I can turn on it. Screen light color, eye comfortable colors. Now, my name is Vinay, and this is my contact number if you want to talk to me. And I'm working as a BL lead consultant, and duration 50 to 60 hours, and class duration daily 1 hour. Monday to Friday compulsory classes, and Saturday I will take additional sessions. Not all Saturdays, monthly 2 Saturdays you have off, but remaining 2 Saturdays I will take additional sessions like case studies, some on-premises concepts, some more topics I will take in the weekend Saturday. The training is very detailed training for 60 hours. You can ask me a question, sir, can you finish in 20 hours or 25 hours? I cannot, it is not possible. So by learning 20 hours, if you're able to get a job and work in the company, then everyone will come to IT only. There is no subject in IT which can be finished in 20 hours, 30 hours. People may cover it, but when they talk about depth of the subject, it is not possible. And we provide daily videos, and you will get the access up to 1.5 years. 2 near real-time projects will be covered, and multiple case studies also. And you will get a theory and practical material, very clear theory and practical material. Coming to prerequisite, no need to have anything, but you have Excel knowledge or SQL knowledge add advantage. Either Excel or SQL advantage. Qualification, any graduate can learn. Any graduate. Now GUI or coding. It full support to GUI, but we have little coding while writing calculations, and there is a language called DAX. So it's a low code application and full support to GUI. And my course covers from basics to advanced all. But we have a couple of other trainers. They can take fast track or customized training. You can reach out on this number. They will take 20 hours, 30 hours. Now, Coming to tools, components, concepts, which I'm covering in the next 2 months. I'm going to cover environment components. You are entering into data warehousing environment, BI environment. So you need to know data warehousing fundamental, data modeling fundamentals. There is a life cycle methodology or project implementation methodology agile. That understanding I will provide you. In real time, compulsory we use versioning tools. Yes, GitHub versioning, I'll give you understanding or heads up. And 2 near real-time projects I will cover, multiple case studies as well. And you may work with databases in the companies. So you may bring data from database and generate a report or a dashboard. So minimal knowledge of SQL required. So database and SQL. 3 to 4 hours I will spend time here, but that is not sufficient. And the 3 to 4 hours, how do we bring the data? What are the best ways to bring the data? How to optimize the loading? That I will tell you in the 3 to 4 hours. It is not sufficient. Learn anywhere, complete course, whole course, to get overall understanding about database and SQL. And then I will give you 9 prioritized topics. Those topics you learn thoroughly. This I will tell you once you join. There are 9 important topics. Those you learn properly, sufficient. Sir, do I need to learn SQL first? No. You can start up with Power BI. Happily, you can continue. In the middle or after completing Power BI, you can learn SQL. But before go to interview, before joining in the company, learn. And real-time maximum you use in Power BI level or any BA level, 9 topics. And I will give you understanding about tab. Give me 5 minutes, madam. I'll open for your questions, concerns. So MSBA tabular cube classes for 2 hours. This is required. Sir, what is tabular cube? I will tell you today as well as in the regular classes. And for job trials, compulsory resume preparation required, FAQs required, mock interviews required. These all we provide support. We will conduct sessions and we provide support. So this is environment related, additional stuff where you will not find in maximum institutions. And this is Power BI concept. And Power BI available in the cloud, Power BI available on premises. So what is the difference between them? I will explain in a few minutes, but the cloud components I'm covering, on-premises components also covering. These are all cloud components, on-premises components. Along with that, 2 additional applications. One is Power Apps and Power Automate. 2 hours I will cover. And these kind of sessions on the weekend, Saturday. Monday to Friday, you will find these classes. This is Monday to Friday. Even these classes also Saturday. Because some people already having SQL knowledge, they feel very bored. Some people already having tabular cube knowledge, they feel bored. Some people do not require resume preparation because 15 years, 16 years, and some many years also joining in the courses. They don't require, so I take in the Saturdays. So this is what I'm going to cover next 2 months. Okay, right. From institution side, not just covering the subject, theory, practical material will provide you. And the training is fully practical on the training, except today. Today is a theoretical understanding demo, but from tomorrow, everything is practical. And you'll be having good interaction with me. We'll discuss FAQs as well in the class, and daily live class video you will receive. Resume preparation, WhatsApp group. WhatsApp group also created for your question, concerns, everything. And we follow a proper and systematic way of learning. I will show you how. Whether you attend the session or not, no matter, you will receive video. Remember everyone, you will receive the video whether you attend or not. I'm opening a drive. This is the way for each batch we'll create a drive. Take morning 7 o'clock batch. For you, 7 p.m. batch, you will find it 7 p.m. folder where your materials available, lab files available, videos available, interview SQL topic checklist available, all available. And videos also sequential order, day-wise available, day-wise, all the videos. And for these batches, I covered project classes already in the weekend. And the project classes also, you can see this name filtering, Power BI project sessions and FAQs, Power Automate session, Power App session, Tabular Cube sessions. You will get a folder and folder access. And you can go through the videos. Next, my training is good enough. If you want to try as a Power BI developer, along with this combination, it is database language, it is Power BI language, Power BI modeling analysis language, data analysis expression language, Power BI language. It is having functions like Excel functions. So in this combination, more and more opportunities available in the market. And you can try as a support resource. This is for developer. You can try as a support resource. You can try as an admin resource. And already you are having knowledge in MSBA. You have knowledge in Tableau. You have knowledge in Azure. And you have knowledge on this. Then this combination also you can try. So these are the different opportunities available in the current market, and you can try all the opportunities by placing relevant 5 years of experience. Sir, what if I want to put more than 5 in Power BI? Not possible. These you cannot try after learning the course. Because modeling knowledge, designing knowledge, architecting knowledge, specialist knowledge, you will get after working 1 or 2 projects end to end. When you work in projects end to end 1 or 2, then only you will get that knowledge. Till that time you won't get. So what we provide, what you are eligible for, what are the components I'm covering, my contact details I mentioned. I will brief again here. This is my contact number. Timing, you can call me 11 a.m. to 5 p.m., 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. You can call me on these times. My objective, A, interview crack, real-time working. Third one, there is an exam called PL 300 certification. So my course includes 70 to 80% PL 300 certification exam. So what about remaining 20, 30? Not possible. It's more like theory. So you need to read the manuals. It's an exam of Power BI. In case you are interested to write, not compulsory. I'm done with my details. I'm stopping session sharply at 8:10 a.m. So 8:10 p.m. Demo session. This is demo. So 8:10 p.m. I'm stopping. Regular classes 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. only. And thereafter, your FAQs I will address. Kindly cooperate. Stay tuned and ask. How long you want to ask? Yes, no issues. I'll be here. But what is my agenda for today? I want to explain data to Power Platform hierarchy. And recently Microsoft given Fabric hierarchy. Concentrate. Data to Power Platform to Microsoft Fabric. This hierarchy I'm going to explain. So do I need to learn? 100%. You need to have good knowledge on this. Otherwise, you cannot start up your career. So what about this hierarchy? What exactly this hierarchy include? First one, data. Here, how many types of data available? How many formats of data available? How many ways data storage available? This I will explain. And then IT applications. Types of IT applications. Comma, BI applications. Next, BA applications. And process. First, what is BA? What is BA process? Input and output of BA. BA evolution. History of BA. And then we'll talk about MSBA. Later, Power BA. And differences between them I will explain. And also I will cover a question. Why Power BI when Microsoft having MSBA? This is the first BA. Why Power BI? Comma, Power BI market. Next one, what is Power Platform? And what is Microsoft Fabric? Now Power BI under Fabric. It is not an individual component. It is a Fabric component. What it is. So this hierarchy I'm going to explain next 40 minutes with screenshots, and the data I will give you in your documents. Please go through. I cannot type complete part. First, data. So anything you are able to store is called data. In the current IT industry, 3 types of data available. You all guys knowingly or unknowingly working on all the types of data. You are working on table. You are working on Excel sheet. That comes under structured data. Column by column available. Column. This is structured data. And we have some special kind of files. JSON file, JavaScript object notation file, extensible markup language file. These come under semi-structured. You are able to read it easily. But if you see this, university, student ID 1, name, age, degree, something like this. This is semi-structured. Last one, unstructured. Your social media data, your WhatsApp data, your Twitter data, your Gmail data. This comes under unstructured. No structure. We don't follow any structure while typing an email, while typing in WhatsApp or Instagram or other areas. So that is unstructured. So we are having 3 types of data in this market. Three types. And we are having data in 2 formats. One is file format, second database format. Discuss with any IT employee. He will tell you data in the file or data in the database. No other area. And data storage also, either on premises, the file storage, database storage, either on premises or file storage, database storage in the cloud. What is on premises? So within your organization, if you maintain server, keep the data, manage the data, that is on premises. Or somebody else storage if you use, that is called cloud. So within the organization, if you keep the data on premises, somebody else storage use cloud. So the file data, the database data within the organization or cloud level, we keep it. So this is about data understanding. 3 types of data, 2 formats data, 2 storages data. Questions, please. And you guys knowingly or unknowingly working on cloud and on premises. Your mobile photos, your laptop content. Nowadays, first you are keeping in your device. Later you are moving to OneDrive, Google Drive, Samsung Cloud, Apple Cloud at the end of the day, end of the week, etc. So that is a cloud. Our backup is in the cloud only. So knowingly or unknowingly, we are working on it. Sir, is it important to know 100%? Power BI is a major and only one reporting application in the market which support all the types of data. There are no,
what will be the what is the detail for database? What is the meaning of database?
Data storage area, more data storage area. Database is a special kind of
where there have a multiple files in a different formats.
No, database contain tables, table formatted data. Database contain tables, table formatted data.
Okay.
Mostly structured data stored here. And you heard about Oracle, SQL Server, Teradata, DB2. They all come under database category. Okay, next one, IT applications. So there are 2 types of IT applications. First one, business running. Second one, business analysis. For example, you started a departmental store in your hometown and you will reach IT companies and ask, I want to run my business happily, provide me some applications. They will provide you one online portal or a mobile app, something for you, which will help to run your business. So customers book the orders and you will receive the orders in your system level. That is business operations process. And the applications technically called as OLTP applications, and full form is online transaction processing. It's a logic, it's a normal word, business running. And IT perspective, it is OLTP, online transaction processing application. The reason at the end of the booking, they will receive a message, transaction success, transaction failed. Booking a movie ticket, come under OLTP. Booking a train ticket, come under OLTP. You'll get a message and you're transferring amount, online amount. So after successful transaction, you'll get a message, transaction successful. So these come under OLTP applications. And nowadays, customers via web, by going to the URL, or desktop, or mobile, they do these transactions. And mostly the data stored in the databases. And you want to book a movie ticket. Now Adipur tickets going on. So many people booking in these channels, and they will get a form. They will enter the details in the form. How many tickets, what are the seat numbers, amount, etc. Finally, the data will be stored in this area. Those applications are OLTP applications, and the storage is OLTP storage. They will get forms. And back database level, the data stored mostly like this. Take a train example, train ticket booking example, PNR number, amount, number of passengers, starting date, ending date, train number, like these details will be stored. If you book a train ticket, the details will be stored like
So,
this.
sir, this data we're gonna get structured, right?
Yes, structured only. This is structured.
All right, thank you, sir.
Okay. So for this part is
Mhm.
clear? No.
Yes, sir.
But you guys decided not to participate in this process. You want to help organizations to analyze this data so that they will take decisions like this. Today at Tatkal, the trains having highest booking, the trains having lowest booking, the area having highest demand, the train having highest demand, the trains not having any sale. That information you want to provide to the companies. And this information is called as analytical information. And the applications which provide is called OLAP applications, online analytical processing applications. And this information is intelligence information or intelligent information. So we call this as BI information, business intelligence information. So in IT industry, majorly, few applications perform business operations, few for analysis. And you guys chosen a path to analyze the data and provide this kind of data to the companies. But how do you provide? So you will take this data, the transactional data, day-to-day data, the business data, and you will implement a BA process, business intelligence process, and you prepare analytical storages. Finally, you will present in the form of a report or dashboard. The management team will use the decision-making data as part of organizational growth. So they use again web, desktop, mobile to see the report and dashboard. So however, the general public operate the same way management team, but general public use forms, management team use reports and dashboards. In between, we have a process called BA process. In between, we have storages called analytical storages. So you guys deal with these parts. You will implement a business intelligence process. You maintain analytical storages, decision-making storages, finally construct report or dashboard. Got clarity?
Sir.
Any questions, online people?
No.
That we'll discuss at the end, sir. Otherwise, we'll be directed to the front question. Next, BA, business intelligence, intelligence to the business, or decision making or analysis of the business. Simply, it is a process of converting normal data to decision making data. So if you pass normal data, you will get analytical data. So Input is data, any type of data, any data, anywhere data. Output is a report or dashboard. Take any BA application in the market, more than 45 BA applications in the market. Any BA application, they work on data, finally give report or dashboard. Then where is the difference? Capability is the difference. The BA process capability, the input capability, and output capability is the difference. Okay, before we go to the capability, what is report or dashboard? You learned about data. What type of data? Format data, storage data. What about report or dashboard? You guys going to generate reports and dashboards only in the organizations after learning Power BI or any BA tool. So report talks about detailed understanding of data. More visuals it contains. And always in the independent operation, it will provide information and operation. That's the reason companies contain more reports in the organization. For every individual operation, one report with the detailed information. Take savings account, one example. Savings, deposit, one report. Savings, withdraw, one report. Savings, online transfer analysis, one report. Like this you may have. But coming to dashboard level, complete savings into one subject area, high level presentation. Total online transfers, total deposits, total withdrawals. Like this, we'll summarize and present high level in the dashboard. In other words, multiple reports information in the dashboard. That's the reason always dashboards are limited in the company. Reports are many, dashboards are limited. Report for individual operation, dashboard for high level operation. Set of report visuals will take and place in the dashboard. Hoping the input and output of BI. Next. Okay, input, output, okay. In between something is there. What was that?
OLAP process.
BA process. So this is little different for you. Now you may face little complexity, but don't feel complexity. First time you are hearing to this, in case you are new to IT, and you may feel like what's going on. Daily you come across the same terminology, same process, you feel bored after 2 days. I'm sure. Same process daily we are going to discuss. There's no other process. Right. But very detailed, I will explain, concentrate. Till 90, we don't have BA process. IT applications available from 40. 1940 IT applications available. But BA process not available till 90. In 90, a standard BA process given. Your customers operating data through different platforms and data available. This data you want to convert to decision-making way and present to the management team. This data only you want to present to the management team. How do you present? Yeah, you know, report or dashboard. How do you prepare a report or dashboard? What type of data you pass to a report or dashboard? How do you summarize it? How do you perform calculations? How do you store it? It was a nightmare for the scientists to identify the approach. Around 20 years time they took to identify the approach. In 90s, they said, Babu, if you want to convert your normal data into decision-making data, follow this process. Even you are running a departmental store in your hometown. At the end of the month, you want to take decision. How much sugar having sold, sale, in which week, how much sale, and highest sale week, lowest sale week, even not only sugar, even dal or other items, sale, and from which customer, from which vendor, customers preferring more, which vendor customer not preferring. If you want to identify manually, anyway tough, For system also, we need to give a process. And that process is this. Take any BA company, any IT company, whoever having reporting, they follow this approach, no doubt. Any company in world, they follow the same process. Otherwise, no report or dashboard. You go for Tableau tool, MSBI, Pentaho, any tool, no matter, but the process remains same. You want to construct a house. How do you construct? First foundation, later pillars, later walls, and then slab. Like this we follow. The same thing here also, one by one. According to scientists, if you want to analyze your data, first take the data, implement a process called ETL process. This is layer one. What is ETL? Get the data. If the data is not good, transform it and then load it. Wherever you want to keep in that area. Why, sir? Already data here. Why we need to move to another area? I want to keep years and years data. I want to keep historical data. I want more analysis. Compulsory daily data we need to place. So those areas are called warehouses. This is second area. According to scientists, Babu follows some ETL process, extraction, transformation, loading process, and maintain huge storage. After having a huge storage, take required data for you, which you want to analyze. So that required data storage is cube. And in that required area, some people say analytical data here, or analytical storage. Some people say semantic storage, technical words, but all are same. So take required data, whatever the aggregate operations you want to perform, perform. Whatever the analytical operations you want to perform, perform here. So that your storage will have all the calculations. Aggregate analytical operations are calculations. Perform all. And finally, provide to report presentation area, where reports and dashboard generated much easily. And you can provide to management team for access. So these are the 4 layers suggested by scientists. Data gathering, data storing, specific data storing and calculations, finally presentation. And after giving this approach, many companies started working on constructing the tools. So these are all the tools available, tools to implement this process easily. And these databases available for more storage. These components available for this specific operation. These reportings available for report dashboard generation. Then why Power BI, sir? Already tools available. Am I right? If any company wants to implement BA approach before 2005, compulsory they need to purchase 1, 2, 3, 4, multiple tools, multiple setups, multiple resources, etc. So too costly approach, but companies not compromised. Bank of America, Walmart, Citigroup, ICICI, HDFC, everyone following this approach only till this day, Though it is time consuming, more resources required, more memory required, more setups required, still people not compromising. They're having it. But small, medium people scared to use. How come they use these many tools purchase resources? They were looking for a wonderful solution, point one. Even a couple of top companies also, they went to depression. What is this management? Yeah, everything into multiple tools. I need to contact for report ETL process one person, semantic process another person, final reporting person. If you ask reporting person why the report showing wrong value, he is telling about semantic person. When I ask semantic person, what shall I know, sir? The warehouse level wrong data available. The backtracking also very tough for the companies. So Microsoft decided, no, we will construct a product where it will give you end-to-end solution. That is MSBI. Proudly launched Microsoft BI. See, nowhere you have company name here. or BA name, but Microsoft given because it is a single suite. It is a single suite with multiple tools. Multiple tools. First one SSIS, second one AS, third one RS. And like this, 6 tools available, but importantly, these tools. So first tool, integration services, which will participate in this area for ETL process. Second tool, analysis services, which will participate here to implement this process. Third one, reporting services, which will participate here to implement a reporting process. So Microsoft reduced the burden. From the previous approaches, we have a better approach. One suite available to implement it. But the first version not flicked much. A few companies said wonderful, but especially MNCs are not satisfied with Microsoft services. Again, Microsoft took 3 years of time. Now I will tell you MSB history. See this. First one is 2005. And Microsoft took 3 years of time and given 2008. Yes. From 2008, Microsoft is the leader in the market for analytics and BI. You may not heard, but Microsoft is a leader in the analytics and BI for the last 16 years. 16 years. Your friend might tell you, Hyperion is really good in the market. Statistics are different. This is different. So, later. So this is a leader for the last 16 years, Microsoft. Every 2 to 3 years, there is a version from Microsoft to compete the market. Sir, how come we believe it? As a trainer, you are saying, could you show me a proof? Yes, sir. Please see this. I will open a link. Please look at the link. Microsoft named a leader in 2022 Gartner Magic Quadrant for Analytics and BA platforms. And this is a normal point, 22 leader, but down there is an important point if you see this. Today, we are announcing that 15th consecutive year, Microsoft has been positioned as a leader in the Gartner Magic Quadrant. 15th consecutive year. So if someone says, Power BI went down, no market, MSB went down, no market, don't believe. Leader, if leader does not have market, what about subordinates? What about competitors? See, leader. Microsoft is the leader. These are all normal. And just challenges. These are all challenges. This is one. Okay, good. Not only for Gartner, many organizations said Microsoft is the leader. Let me continue. So I explained in this picture the market of Microsoft. So it is a leader. Again, one more question you can ask me. Sir,
So the power,
give me, sir. MSB brought the leadership to Microsoft. It is really good. Then why Power BI again?
I think because they add more power to BI, that's why it's Power BI, right?
Correct. Now I'll explain the difference between MSBA to Power BI. MSBA, Power BI, both are Microsoft components. And MSBA released in 2005. And Power BI released in July 2013. It is a wonderful component, well-proved component. Till this day, we are having market on MSBA. Till this day, we have market on MSBA. There are many opportunities. If you see Naukri, LinkedIn, in many areas. but the kind of operations are different. Now I'm covering this. If you go to interview, they may ask you, why Power BI when MSBA is there? What additional you will find in MSBA, Power BI? It is your first responsibility to answer because both are from Microsoft, so you need to classify it. So MSBA architecture purely designed before 2004 market. This is the first drawback. Facebook released in 2004 and Google very popular after 2005. And mobile applications available in the market since 2008. Cloud available in the market from 2006. Drastic IT changes after 2004, but MSB architecture based on 2004 market or before 2004 market. And purely on-premises solution. Within the company only you need to install the service and work on it. Cloud support is less. It is having a suite with multiple components where end-to-end operations it will do. No mobile friendly, tab friendly. And input also, very limited sources for reporting. In case MSB report you want to place in Facebook, Twitter, no support. That is called embedding. The meaning of embedding is placing a report in another area, placing application in another area, not possible. And if you want to work with MSBA, average coding is required, average coding. And the visuals, the components which MSBA having, not suitable for the current market. And every year, there's a lot of changes. And this year, from the last 2 months, whatever I hear about AI-enabled components. Microsoft given Fabric, it's an AI-based component. ChatGPT, AI-based component. Maybe you heard about it. So many companies releasing AI-based components. So 2 to 3 years, there is no change. This is one more drawback. Microsoft decided they want to gear up. They want to add more power. That is Power BI. For the existing BI, they added more power. That is Power BI. And Power BI level, not only just cloud operations, mobile and tab friendly operations, better embedding. Embedding means adding to other areas. And Power BI level, low code also less. No need to write much code. And many visuals given in Power BI. Many visuals given. But on top of it, 2 most beautiful features we have. First one, self-service BI application. Sir, what is this? And second one, monthly update. These 2 features made Power BI master in the market. First, I will talk about monthly update and then I will go to this. Microsoft having wonderful scientists. They're continuously monitoring the market. If there are any changes, they are taking the integration and mentioning in the next month update. And there is no tool, no application in the market which is having monthly updates. Rigorously, Microsoft working on monthly updates. For example, you released a new component in the market. Next month, Microsoft will announce, we joined with so-and-so organization, and you can connect to the organization data and work on it. So this made Microsoft as a leader in the market and no competition to my Power BI. Every month we have update. So July 2013 to till this month, June 2023, we are having updates. Every month we have update. Continuous tracking. Now, next most beautiful feature, self-service. See this picture. I told you MSBA, a self-service BI suite. Sir, what is self-service? If anything end-to-end happen in a single area, that is called self-service. Anything end-to-end happen in a single area, that is called self-service. So MSBA is a suite which has multiple tools, 1, 2, 3, and perform end-to-end process. Whereas Power BI level, only one application available, single application. Sir, how come single application will do? We have multiple concepts. This is concept 1. This is concept 2. This is concept 3. So these 3 concepts make end-to-end process in Power BI. So if customer want to ask a question regarding data, regarding a report, regarding calculation, they can ask a single resource of Power BI. He can address all because he is implementing data loading, he is implementing data calculations, he is generating a report. And these concepts technically called as Power Query concept, Power Pivot concept, Power View or Map concept. This is a technical terminology. All of you okay? Right. So let me show you. So Power BI, if somebody asks you, simply you can say adding power to BI, or it is a self-service BI application which will generate reports or dashboards from data. Right. So with the given 2 minutes, sir, I will wind up and then address your questions. With the given spirit of Power BI low code approach, something interesting I'm concluding, listen to it. Microsoft decided, why don't we release a couple of additional low code components that results into Power Platform. So from 2013, July, Microsoft Power BI independent application. But from 2019, it is as part of Power Platform. Very few people know about this. So Power Platform is a very powerful platform with low code components. First low code component, Power BI. It is a low code component to create reports and dashboards. Second low code component. Low code means no need to write code, or you need to write less code. Second one, Power Apps. In your mobile tab, you are using multiple apps. Those apps you want to construct easily, Power Apps is helpful. You want to implement automated process. Whenever your manager send an email, automatically you need mobile alert. Mobile alert required. That is automated process. You can implement easily using Power Automate. And you want to create chatbots. When you open a website, when you open an app, in the bottom corner, you will find how may I assist you. Those are called chatbots. You can create very easily by using virtual agent. Power Pages. You want to construct your own website, web page. No need to go to web developers. Go to Power Pages. You can easily create it. There are templates available. You can select and use it. So these are the 5 low code components available under Power Platform from 2019. Is that fine? Now the interesting one. Microsoft thought this will boom. It will have more market. Power BI and combinations. But people not using Power BI along with these combinations. They're not using. Individual Power Apps having solution, individual Power Automate having solution. But combination, no. That's the reason, after doing a lot of research, Microsoft taken Power BI in the reporting, Azure Data Factory in the ETL, Synapse in the analytics, this area. These two are cloud components. So Azure is a cloud platform. I will explain tomorrow. Azure is a cloud platform. For the timing, just listen high level. It is a cloud platform where we do ETL process using ADF, Azure Data Factory, in the Azure level. In the Azure cloud platform, the storage we maintain by using Synapse, but no reporting. So those people go for Power BI. So Microsoft given these three components nowadays as a concept called Microsoft Fabric. What is that? Fabric. So you are going to enter into Fabric world. Fabric is AI-enabled Microsoft application to implement data analysis operations. I will conclude with words focus. So for the last couple of minutes, I explain types of data, formats of data, ways of storage, types of IT applications and BA applications. What is BA? BA process, input, output of BA, BA evolution, MSBA, Power BI, differences between MSBA, Power BI, why Power BI when MSB available, and Power BI market. Power BI market, oh, this one not covered, right? Okay. So 3 more minutes, guys, please. Power BI market. I have little old URL, please see. 2021 URL. Power BI jobs demand grows as it dominates market share. In 2021, Power BI market in the BA level 36%. Come down. You want to see that? This URL also I will give you. Kindly go through. This is 21. If you have 100 business intelligence projects, 36% of projects, that means 36 projects in Power BI, 21, but 20 to 42%. Not a normal number. The remaining 58% is occupied by Tableau, ClickSense, SAP Analytics, Cognos, Looker, Strategy, Sysense, etc. These are all BA tools. These are all the BA tools. Remaining 58% they occupied. But 42% Power BI only occupied. This is the market of Power BI. Maybe calls plus or minus, but don't bother about it. Learn strongly, definitely you'll crack it. I will share this link. You go and see why Power BI leader, why Power BI occupied more market. What are the differences between other BA tools to Power BI? You will find it clearly. Okay. So Power BI market completed. Now I will write very quickly. How do you define MSBA? You know to understand, right? A self-service first BI suite from Microsoft with multiple tools to perform end-to-end BA process and generate reports or dashboards. What is Power BI? Simple definition, powering BI or adding more power to BI. A self-service BA application from Microsoft. The same point I will write it. But in place of tools, we use concepts. What is Power Platform? a low code platform with multiple tools. What are those? Power BI is the first one. Power Apps is the next one. Power Automate is the other one. Power Pages, virtual agents. What is Microsoft Fabric? AI-based platform to perform analytical operations using the below components. What are the components? First one, Power BI. Second one, ADF, Azure Data Factory. This is the market. Next market is this only. Synapse and Data Activator. So my objective, introduce myself and then data to fabric hierarchy successfully completed. But one thing you can ask me, sir, a couple of things we are not able to understand. In the regular classes, you will understand. Or if you're not able to catch up, call me on my number. Or call me on my number. I'll explain very clearly. Or type in the WhatsApp. I'll explain you a little more better. This is a demo session, beginners to experience, everyone available. I need to maintain an average speed. I maintained it. But regular classes will go very slowly with clear material. So my agenda successfully completed for today. And tomorrow is the second demo. At 7 p.m. It is a practical demo. In this practical, I will show you how easily we work on Power BI. And regular classes from Friday at 7 to 8 p.m. only. And
Sir, the Saturday class is the mandatory.
1 minute. So these are the components I'm going to cover. Environment components, Power BI components, the cloud and on-premises, both I'm covering. These I will give you little understanding. And total duration of the course. Total duration 50 to 60 hours, daily 1 hour. My 1 hour equal to 2 to 3 hours practice for you. For your 2 to 3 hours time it will take, according to my experience. And no prerequisite, any graduate can learn. And a low code application, full support to see. Daily live class video you will receive with proper materials, and 2 near real-time projects with good explanation provided. Solid theory and practical materials also provided.